Hi everyone, so today's video is really special because it is my little sister's 16th birthday today. So I really want to wish her a happy birthday, and I just want to tell you that I love you very much. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the time my little sister visited me in the South Loop. I do have an apartment in the South Loop. So for those of you that don't know, I do have a little sister. Her name is Melina. We are about 10 years apart, and so she is from a whole different generation. Please mind her. I'm just kidding. If you ever get the opportunity to meet her, she's honestly really cool. She's a sweetheart, and she loves to try new things just like me. So she's a really great travel partner. So this video is going to be tailored around the experience me and my sister had in the South Loop. We were able to try a couple cool places, and I personally wanted to share them with you. Alright, so let's get started. So the first place that we visited was Five Guys. Now Five Guys is typically in your local suburbs, but there is one located in the South Loop. Personally, I love Five Guys because it is very fresh. They don't have any freezers. They store all of their meat in coolers. And so that being said, it is a little bit more expensive than your typical burger and fast food joint, but the food is really fresh, so I highly recommend it. Honestly, I feel like that's why they give out free peanuts. The second place that we went to was Edible Arrangements. Now I don't know how many of you know, but some participating locations do offer a happy hour, and the one in the South Loop does an amazing job at advertising this. So Edible Arrangements has a happy hour from 2 to 5, and we just bought ourselves some chocolate covered strawberries. Here are the chocolate covered strawberries. We each got our own because we ain't trying to share. So the third place we visited was Vapiano. Vapiano is an Italian restaurant originated in Germany, and since it was very successful, it did branch out to the United States. There are 3 locations here in Chicago, one of them being just north of the South Loop. Their kids pizza is super cheap. It is about under $5, and I personally feel like you get a good deal for great quality pizza. As far as the ambience of the restaurant, all of the cooks are stationed towards the wall, and so you just go up to them, give them your order, and the whole experience of just having them cook the food right in front of you is pretty cool. All of their pastas do come with bread. The fourth place we went to was UIC. It is just west of the South Loop. Now, bias aside, because yes, I am an alumni, UIC has got some really cheap bowling prices. Wow. Don't believe me, look at the price chart. So it's $4 for students, $4.50 for faculty, staff, and alumni. Oh, like that's me. $5 for guests and the general public, and $3 for shoe rental. So honestly, you could have a pretty good night out with your friends here. So the fifth place we visited was Harold's Chicken. Harold's Chicken is local to Chicago. It first launched in 1950, and it's been growing ever since. So that being said, it is very iconic to the city. It's super cheap. You can get a whole chicken tender meal with fries for under $5. The sixth place we visited was the Starbucks Roastery. One of my favorite things about a Starbucks Roastery is that they do offer coffee flights, so you can try all of the coffees that are made exclusively there. It is located just north of the South Loop. It did officially launch November of 2019. This roastery is the biggest one in the world so far. As soon as you walk into Starbucks, on the first floor, you'll see that they do sell the coffees that they roast there. Now, if you are planning to buy any, just be aware that it is unground coffee, so you are gonna have to ground it yourself. Now, I've seen that a lot of people use a blender or a molcajete. Honestly, get original and ground it yourself. It's very tasty, and they do have anywhere from light to dark roast. So the way the roastery is set up is the first floor is the coffee bar, like I mentioned, where you can purchase unground coffee. The second floor is where you can find baked goods such as pastries, pizza. You can even find salads here. So definitely, if you want to grab a bite, head to the second floor. The third floor is the experimental coffee bar. That is where you can order the coffee flight to try the different variety of coffees they roast there. And if you like their coffee, you can go ahead and go back to the first floor to purchase it. The fourth floor is the cocktail bar. Your girl wouldn't know much about drinking. I only drink virgin pina coladas. So that's how much experience I have in alcohol. And the fifth floor is the rooftop. Now, unfortunately, we weren't able to go see it because it was the winter, but in the summer, it's open to the public. So the seventh place we visited was Molly's Cupcakes. Now this cupcake shop is really cute. You can actually go in here and make your own cupcake. All you have to do is tell them what kind of cake you want, frosting, and toppings. There's also a complimentary sprinkle station that you can hit up after ordering your cupcake. As you can tell, Molly's Cupcakes really resembles a classroom setting. The owner of Molly's Cupcakes remembers his third grade teacher always bringing cupcakes to the classroom on someone's birthday, and so that's a memory that he greatly cherished. There's also swings anchored to the floor, which makes it a perfect setting for a date or a group of friends. And if you get the poops and have to go to the bathroom, you go down this classroom hallway that again really embraces that school setting. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I hope I was able to provide some really cool recommendations for things for you to do next time you are in the South Loop. Stay safe and subscribe to get notified for my next video.